In this tutorial, we will be discussing deal customization within Zendesk Sell. First, let's take a look at a few different ways that a deal can be created within Sell. In the upper left-hand corner, there is a button that says Add with a drop-down. You can click this and then click Deal. Here, you can add information like the deal name and the associated primary contact. These fields will be required to create a deal. There is also some more information you can add at this point as well, like the value of the deal, associated tags, the pipeline associated, the stage of the deal, the owner, and more information. What you can then do is, after creating the deal, click Save and View. This will then take me to the deal card within Zendesk Sell. You'll see here the deal name, the owner, information like the deal value, incoming deal stage, the associated pipeline, and more. To the right, what you'll see is associated contacts. Here you will see the business that the contact is associated with, as well as the contact information. You could click here to go to the contacts card. Another way that a deal can be created is directly from a contact card. I'm in the contact card right now for the deal that we had just created, but there is another deal that they are associated with. What I can do is go to deals on the right-hand side and click the plus button. You will see the same information as before, where you'll need to add a deal name. But the difference here is that the primary contact has already been filled out because you are creating the deal from that contact directly. And same as before, once that information has been added, you can save the deal and either view it within the deals section or just click Save. As you can see here, I did not add a name to the deal, which is required. So I am creating the deal name and then I can click Save. And those are a few ways that a deal can be created within Zendesk Sell. Let's discuss using tags. You can apply tags to leads, contacts, and deals to more easily segment, view, and evaluate the data in your Sell account. Note, you must have admin permissions to define tags. As an admin, you can create, edit, and delete tags, so they are available to all users. As an admin, you can also allow all users to define and apply their own tags to their own leads, contacts, and deals. As an admin, I am going to predefine tags for my contacts and deals. What I'm going to do is go to Settings and then under Customize, click Contacts. I've added this by clicking the Add Tag button, and then once I've applied the name, click Add Tag. I'm also going to do something similar for deals. I'm going to go to Deals under Customize and then click Tags. Now I'm going to add a tag for deals. And then click Add. This can then be applied to new deals, existing deals, by myself or any of my users based on the settings. Now that I've created a tag for my deals, let's go to my deals page and then add a tag to an existing deal. I'm going to click into my deal and then click Edit. Now, within the deal editor, I will add my new tag and then click Save. This is helpful because if I create a smart list, what I can do is then filter by that field. Now that I've filtered with that tag, I'm now showing a list that only has the deal associated with that tag. This is a great way to filter information like tags. Custom fields can be used to segment information. To create a custom field for your deal, go to Settings, under Customize, click Deals, and then by default, you will appear on the Deals custom field. What you can then do is click the Add Field button. I will now create the field name and then the type of field that it is. In this case, I will choose checkbox. Now I will click Save. To view this in action, what I'm going to do is go to Deals. Once in Deals, I'm going to click the plus field button in the upper right-hand corner. Then I will search for the field and add that to my smart list. What you can see right now is that none of the fields on this smart list are associated with field name 2. And that's it. We hope this helps. For more information, make sure to check out the articles linked throughout this video.